travel outfits to not wear on your cruise or embarkation day. So you've packed your bags, printed your boarding pass, and picked out your perfect cruise outfit. Or so you thought, because nothing says I've made a huge mistake like sweating through security in a denim sauna, setting off alarms with your rhinestone jacket, or flashing the terminal thanks to a rogue gust of wind. And yes, you will end up in someone's TikTok, and not in a good way. Today, we're counting down the 10 travel outfits you should absolutely not wear on your cruise or embarkation day. Some of these are brand new cruise no-nos for 2025, and some are just timeless outfit disasters that still haunt the gangway. Before we dive in, I was wondering if you could do me a huge favor. I'm new on YouTube, and I'd love it if you could help me on my journey towards 1,000 subscribers. I'll appreciate it so much. All right, fashion police, let's begin the shaming. Number 1, spyglasses, smart hats, and other creepy wearables. You know those Ray-Ban Meta glasses? The ones that look normal but can record video? Yeah, cruise lines hate those now. In 2025, anything that even looks like it could spy on someone is an instant red flag at security. We're talking smart glasses, hats with cameras, necklaces with hidden mics, basically anything from the wannabe secret agent section of Amazon. And yes, Brenda, your vlog gear might be innocent. But good luck explaining that to the guy with the rubber gloves and zero sense of humor. They're not confiscating your stuff because it's cool. They're confiscating it because you look like you're about to live stream a lawsuit. Unless you want to be pulled aside and miss the welcome buffet, leave the gadgets at home and stick to regular eyeballs. Number 2, clothes that still smell like your house or your pet. You might think your outfit smells fine, but guess what? That hoodie you always wear around the house? It does not travel well. Cruise terminals are basically people-packed microwaves. If your shirt smells like your cat, your vanilla plug-in, your partner's cologne, or last night's leftovers, everyone's going to smell it. Your nose is used to it. Ours isn't. And now we're trapped behind you in line wondering if this is what regret smells like. Embarkation Day is not the time for cozy and familiar. It's the time for clean and inoffensive. Freshly laundered, please, not Febreze covered. Actually clean. Number 3, politically loud or wildly inappropriate T-shirts. We get it. You're opinionated. You like to speak your truth. You also just made 3 strangers on the shuttle visibly uncomfortable. That shirt about your political stance, your conspiracy theory, or your sarcastic joke that involves bodily functions? Save it for your Facebook timeline, not the cruise terminal. These ships are packed with thousands of people from all walks of life. The last thing anyone wants is to start their vacation in a T-shirt turf war at the gangway. Besides, cruise line staff are trained to de-escalate drama, and nothing screams, "Please watch me like a hawk," quite like showing up looking like a protest flyer. Number 4, crop tops and mini skirts with no emergency backup. Yes, you look amazing. Yes, you're serving sunshine realness. But you know what else is serving? The industrial strength AC blasting through the cruise terminal. And that sudden gust of wind just sent your cute little skirt halfway to Barbados. Congrats. You're now the main character in someone's embarkation fails video. Hope you brought underwear. Also, pro tip, you will be climbing stairs, walking ramps, doing the mustard drill, and maybe even sprinting for a buffet table. That tiny outfit better come with confidence and a whole lot of fabric tape. Or better yet, just pack a layer. Number 5, rompers and jumpsuits with Houdini-level fasteners. They look cute. They look effortless. They scream, "I'm stylish and carefree." Until you're doing a full-body escape routine just to pee. Cruise terminal bathrooms are a horror show. No space, no hooks, no mercy. And guess what? Your cabin probably won't be ready for hours. So if you're planning to go full romper mode on embarkation day, also plan on fully undressing in a public restroom stall with a sticky floor and a mystery odor. You'll be balancing your bag, your dignity, and that romper strap that keeps slapping you in the face. Fashion risk level? Titanic. Number 6, outfits that look like you just lost a fight with your suitcase. Look, we've all been there. You traveled, you're tired, you just want to get on board. But showing up in a crumpled, wrinkled shirt that looks like it was wadded into a sock? Not the vibe. Wrinkled clothes don't say, "relaxed traveler." They say, "panicked mess who forgot how irons work." Even worse, cruise terminals have cameras, social media exists. You will be caught on someone's cruise embarkation aesthetic TikTok looking like a before photo. Hang it, steam it, iron it, or just wear something that doesn't scream, "I slept in this." Number 7, brand new shoes you haven't broken in. They looked so cute in the store. They looked even better in your mirror. But now? They look perfectly designed to ruin your entire first day at sea. Blisters by the buffet, bloodied heels at sail away, the slow, painful shuffle to your muster station. New shoes with zero break-in time are a rite of passage for rookie cruisers, but you don't need to suffer to prove you're on vacation. Wear something broken in, comfortable, and capable of handling miles of walking. Because, yes, cruise ships are basically floating cities with elevators that are always full. You can be fashionable and functional, or just fashionable for exactly 13 minutes until the foot pain kicks in. Number 8, heavy jeans or tight pants that cook you alive. You thought it would be breezy. You thought you'd look put together. But now you're stuck in the cruise terminal, dragging your carry-on through Sweat Central, slowly marinating in your own denim prison. Jeans hold heat. Jeans don't stretch. Jeans were made by someone who hated thighs. Add humidity, nerves, and a sunbeam that follows you everywhere, and suddenly you're regretting everything. Opt for light, breathable fabrics like linen, cotton, or athletic wear. You're boarding a cruise, not auditioning for a Levi's commercial. Number 9, metal-stuffed accessories that set off security. Studded belts, chain-link bracelets, heavy metallic earrings, rhinestone-studded jackets. You know what all of these have in common? They make you look fabulous. Until you get flagged at security like you're smuggling a toolkit. The second you hear that beep, all eyes are on you. And now you're the reason everyone's line just stopped moving. Even worse, you'll have to take it all off, item by item, while awkwardly trying to explain that, no, you're not hiding anything illegal in your bedazzled arm cuff. And security officers, not big fans of sarcasm, or rhinestones apparently. Want to keep things moving? Stick to low-metal, minimal-fuss outfits. Save the sparkle and studs for formal night, not the full TSA treatment at the cruise port. Number 10, matching family shirts with way too much info. Look, the custom Smith Family Cruise 2025 shirts are cute for a photo, but when you wear them on embarkation day, all day, you've officially turned your entire family into walking billboards. And if one of you gets a little tipsy, starts an argument, or yells at a crew member, guess what? Now the whole ship knows exactly who you are, where you're from, and what year to judge you by. Even worse, vendors at the port see those matching shirts and instantly clock you as an easy target. You'll get the special tourist price, aka the pay more you don't know better tax, before you've even left the dock. By all means, pack the shirts, take the cute group photo, then change into something that doesn't scream, "We've never cruised before and we're about to fight over a pool chair." The YouTube algorithm thinks you'll enjoy the video on the end screen. And honestly, it's probably right. Click on it, and I'll see you over there.